Alright guys, in this last video, I'm going to do questions 22, 23, 24, and 25. And I wrote down some definitions here. Some pretty straightforward definitions of the universal set, which is all elements under study, the empty set, a set with 0 elements, the complement of a set that I wrote in the last video, which is every element in the universe that is not in the set, the intersection of a set, the elements the sets have in common, and the union of a set is combining the sets to make one overall set. So make sure you have these definitions down and the symbols down, and I'm going to go through questions 22 to 25, and we're going to write each answer in roster form. Okay. Now, question number 22. It says the list below shows 5 agricultural crops in Alabama, Arkansas, and Louisiana. Let U, which is the universal set, be the smallest possible set that includes all of the crops listed. And let A, K, and L be the set of 5 crops in Alabama, Arkansas, and Louisiana respectively. Find the indicated set. The intersection between A and K. A being Alabama, K being Arkansas, and L being Louisiana. We want to find the intersection. The intersection is the elements the sets have in common. So we want to find the common elements between Alabama and Arkansas. Both sets have soybeans, which is lowercase s. Both sets have hay, which is lowercase h, and both sets have wheat, which is lowercase w. So my answer in roster form will be S, H, W. The order really doesn't matter, but maybe for the solution, the answer key, it may have the letters in order as H, S, and W. And that is the answer because both sets contain soybeans, hay, and wheat. Question number 23. We want to find the union between A and B. I hate when they put these inside here. So I'm putting my universal set on top. The universe is the entire Venn diagram. Set A, set B. Now, inside of set A, which is the entire circle of A, that contains the elements of H, B, M, and J. Inside of set B, that contains the elements of B, J, E, and T. Not in order. To find the union of the sets, we want to combine the sets to make one overall set. That's exactly what we're going to do. So A union B, which is down here, will be the set in alphabetical order. B, E. You know what? I can't do this. My alphabetical order is kind of messed up. So let's just go with B, E, J, T, M, and H. I don't know why I couldn't put in alphabetical order. Wow. Anyways, that is the set of elements in A union B. Once again, the order does not matter. So the correct order will be B, E, H, J, M, and T. But the order I have here is different, but still the final answer. Question number 24. Let the universal set be 5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Set A is a set of 5, 10, 15, and 20. Set B is the set of 25, 30, 35, and 40. Set C is a set of 10, 20, 30, and 40. We want to find the intersection between A complement with the union of B complement and C complement. Let's first find the complement sets. A complement, B complement, and then C complement. Now, complement means every element in the universe that is not in the set. So, I want to find A complement. That'll be every element that's in the universal set that is not going to be in set A. So that's going to be 25, 30, 35, and 40. I want to find B complement. That's going to be every element in the universal set that is not inside of set B, which is going to be 5, 10, 15, and 20. I then want to find C complement. Every element in the universal set that is not inside of set C, which is going to be 5, 15, 25, and 35. Now, I need some more space, so let me zoom out a little bit. Hope you guys have these definitions down because I'm going to now erase them. Now, we want to focus inside the parentheses. We have B complement union C complement. Remember, union means to combine the sets together to make one overall set. So when I combine those two sets together to make one overall set, that is going to be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 35. Change my color up. Now we have the final product, A complement intersecting with the union between B complement and C complement. Now remember, intersection means what elements do the sets have in common? So what elements does B complement union C complement have in common with A complement? If you notice, both sets have a 25 in common and both sets have a 35 in common. So the answer to this question is going to be 25 and 35. And that is it to number 24. All right, guys. Hope you understand this so far. Hope it's making sense to you. Hope you understood how we found the answer to question 22, 23, and now to 24. We're now going to answer question number 25. 25 says, let the universal set be the set of Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let set A be Q, S, U, W, Y. Set B be Q, S, Y, Z. And set C be V, W, X, Y, Z. List the members of the indicated set using braces, which is using the roster form. We want to find the union between A complement and B. First thing is first, let's find A complement. To find A complement, that is going to be every element in the universal set. Let me recircle that. Every element that's in my universal set that is not inside of set A. So every element in the universe that is not Q, S, U, W, and Y. So it's going to be R, T, V, X, and Z. And I want to double check. R, T, V, X, and Z. Now, I want to find the union between A complement and B. Union means combining the sets together to make one overall set. So I'm combining A complement together with regular B and writing that as one overall set. So in order, that is going to be Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And that is the answer to number 25. So guys, I hope numbers 22 to 25 made sense. Hope you guys are able to understand the process and the set operations for each. That is it to the video solutions. Hope you guys enjoyed the series. I hope it made sense. Once again, the exam is 20 questions. This review sheet was 25 questions. 20 of the questions on this review sheet will appear on that exam. Study your notes, study the concepts. As always, it's a pleasure for me to do this for you, and I'll see you soon. Take care.